Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential parts and placing them where you can work quickly. First, mount the LM386 on the breadboard near the power rail. This reduces lead length and noise. Then insert the 10K potentiometer for gain control and the input jack on the same row so signals flow plainly. Make sure to connect ground traces first to establish a common reference. This prevents accidental shorts as you add the 9V battery and signal coupling caps. Once done, you'll be ready to wire the input. Now you wire the signal path, carefully because this is where tone and stability are set. Feed the input through the 10K pot. This gives you volume control and isolates the source. Add a 0. 1 micro F to shape highs if the sound is harsh. Configure the LM386 gain by placing the 10 micro F between pins 1 and 8 for maximum amplification, or remove it for lower gain. This is why you can tailor distortion. Finally, place the 220 micro F output cap in series with the speaker, so DC is blocked, but audio passes cleanly. You complete the build by connecting power and conducting slow, deliberate checks. With the battery attached, power up at low volume and monitor the LM386 for excess heat. It should be warm, not hot. Slowly raise the pot while listening. If you hear oscillation or high-pitched whine, make sure ground connections are solid and shorten signal leads. Long wires pick up noise. If problems persist, add a 0. 0.1 micro F bypass cap across the supply and a 0. 0.5 micro F across the speaker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.